Hey guys, we are here in Shanghai. I'm with my friend Sam.
Nice to meet you guys. Subscribe and like.
Yes, thank you. I love the energy. And today we're going to be walking around Jiatong University.
Xuhui Campus.
Xuhui.
Yeah, Xuhui.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, this is like the old, well, they say like the old archive, but I think it used to be a library. Now, I don't know, I tried getting in, but
You just can't.
no, I couldn't break in.
Ooh. Wait, that's actually insane how they use like bamboo. Is that bamboo poles?
Yeah. You guys don't use that?
No, not in Australia.
Oh.
What's this building?
I think it's like for postgraduate students studying.
Huh. Huge park in the middle of the campus.
Yeah. So pretty at night as well because, you know, it's like dark and then all the trees, well, they have like lights projecting off of the like leaves.
The library.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like a gym and like a few badminton courts upstairs.
Oh, cool. Up there.
So sick, yeah. The badminton courts are like so nice.
I would not have expected that building to be a gym.
Right?
It looks so fancy.
Right. This is the economics and business management department, and it's like the top one in China. These are the dorms, one of the very few accommodation halls here. I think there are like 3 or 4.
Thank you. Canteen of Jiatong University. Massive.
This is like only one of them.
Oh, only one of them. Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough.
Yeah. Basically, it's like rice with like vegetables, meat, egg, whatever.
Yeah.
And it's like it sizzles in the pot.
Yeah.
So it stays hot.
And how much does it cost?
Like 2-3 pounds.
2-3 pounds.
Yeah,
That's so
I
good.
would say. And by the way, we're in the law library.
The law library.
Yeah, this is a law library. If you want to study outside, you can just sit here. And it's nice because you can like hear the waterfall sound. I've studied here lots. Imagine this, but like all orange. Oh, did you get me?
I did actually. That was good energy. That was good energy. Expectation.
Reality.
Sports center. Everyday people coming here to exercise.
And then the evenings, parents come with their children, and they just like play and chill.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how this works. This could end up looking have you seen those like Instagram reels where it's like people use 360 cameras
Yeah.
and they look so goofy? That could be us right now.
No.
Hopefully that looked cool. Cinema.
Yep. New releases, old movies too.
Hashtag yay. They've just actually got a KFC on campus here at Jiaotong. And the Starbucks is just like its own city, this campus. So there we go, walked around Jiatong University campus, the small one.
The small one,
Apparently.
in fact.
Maybe we'll have to go to the big one next time.
Yes, the big one is Minhang campus. We're in Xuhui campus.
Yeah.
Minhang is 4 times the size of Xuhui.
Wow.
And to go from one end to the other is like a 20-minute walk. So you have to like ride a bike.
Yeah.
And also, there are like fountains and like lakes there as well.
But yeah, well, that's that.
Fancy, fancy.